The Living Lab is exactly that. It's a showcasing system where we are using ourselves to test out these technologies and then find out what works. Everything that you see here has been designed by myself as the mechanical lead and a core number of team members within Hilson Moran. The technologies themselves, the actual specifics, have been very uniquely designed in this office to the extent that it's never been done before anywhere else. We are given the ability to showcase systems, to actually to utilize more than one technology across the floor plates, which will then allow us to not only see how that technology looks aesthetically, but how it functions from a technical standpoint, to see where they're going to be most applicable. So they might not be maybe suitable for an open plan section like what we have here. They might be more suitable for, say, a meeting room, or they might be suitable for a different application. And that's what the whole point of the Living Lab is.
And from the outset, the emphasis was on doing it differently, looking at products, the design solution, looking at sustainability, and looking at what the results of embodied carbon might be. There was also a drive to simplify the lighting control solutions. We've gone wireless, removed cabling, removed containment, and we've got local user control. So we gain the benefits for only having lights on when they're needed at the required lighting level. But the moment the person walks away after a predetermined timeout, then it will revert back to the minimum lighting level, which is 300 lux, which is the revised BCO recommendation.
The ductwork is perhaps one of my most favorite features within this entire office. We had a really unique opportunity to partner with a company called EcoDuct, which is a UK-based company that provides pre-insulated ductwork entirely made out of phenolic insulation. So it does not use any galvanized metals or potentially some sort of heavy hangers or things to actually support it. It's an entirely lightweight system that does the exact same function as any other ventilation system, and it does it with efficiency in mind. The other most unique feature that we've got is in fact actually two particular fan core units, Artus and AirMech. They're simple plug-and-play units but have the best possible embodied carbon and specific fan power and operational energy out of any fan core unit in the industry currently. The Artus units itself are incredibly rare because we are very privileged to be one of the first people in the world to have their latest AR75 unit, and it's a much improved, redesigned system to the extent that it's now not only provided the outputs that we require to serve that space, but it's actually done it with less systems than what we would have implemented previously.
It's all about creating a space where all the services are visible. That's what we do. We do the ductwork, containment. We're trying to reduce the level of services in the space, but where we put it in, we've put it in such a way that it really kind of showcases, looks as neat as possible. There's been a lot of attention to detail. We have removed conduit, we've reduced the wiring, and I think we've got a really special space. So as you walk in, there is a wow factor. It's different. You know, I think it is something to be proud of.